Apple just killed the Mac Pro, and what they are replacing it with will completely blow your mind. If you are waiting for a totally redesigned Mac Studio, you need to stop right now. Every single credible leak confirms that the upcoming Mac Studio M5 Ultra is not about looking pretty on your desk. It is about absolute, total dominance in the professional space. For years, the massive Mac Pro was the undisputed king of the studio, but it was far too big and way too expensive for most creators. Now, according to top Bloomberg analyst Mark Gurman, Apple is secretly building a monster machine for mid-2026 that will change everything. This new Mac Studio will pack the incredibly powerful M5 Max and the highly anticipated M5 Ultra chips. This launch timing perfectly matches Apple's master plan. First, they will drop the M5 Pro and M5 Max inside the new MacBook Pro lineup. Then, the absolute beast, the M5 Ultra, will take over the desktop world. But here is the massive shocker that nobody expected. This is not just a simple spec bump or a yearly update. Apple is officially making the Mac Studio their undisputed, top-tier professional desktop. The M5 Ultra Mac Studio is effectively replacing the ultra-expensive Mac Pro workstation entirely. You are getting massive, tower-level performance in a tiny box that fits perfectly under your monitor. Now, what about the design? All major leaks agree that Apple is keeping the exact same compact body. Do not expect a wild new external look or new colors. The reason is simple, and it comes down to basic physics. These new chips generate so much raw power that the current thermal cooling design is already pushed to its absolute limits. Apple spent years perfecting the internal airflow and the massive dual fans inside this machine. They are keeping the same ports and the same structure to focus 100% on massive internal upgrades. Because of this, your machine will stay whisper quiet even when you are pushing it to the absolute maximum. The real magic is the new Fusion architecture. This groundbreaking chip technology will first debut in the 2026 MacBooks. It is designed from the ground up to make heavy professional workloads run faster and cooler than ever before. As expected, the M5 Ultra will essentially combine two M5 Max chips together. They use a special, high-speed connection so the computer sees it as one single brain without any lag or bottlenecks. This creates a terrifyingly fast system on a chip. Remember how we never got an M4 Ultra? Apple reportedly cancelled it completely. Because they skipped a full generation, the jump to the M5 Ultra will be the biggest performance leap we have ever seen in a Mac desktop. You will be able to export massive projects in a fraction of the time. Let us talk about AI, because this changes the game completely. The M5 series is packing dedicated neural accelerators directly inside the GPU cores. This means lightning-fast, on-device AI processing. You will not need to rely on cloud servers or fast internet speeds anymore. You can run complex language models, upscale videos using AI, and generate high-resolution graphics right on your desk. This makes the new Mac Studio the ultimate dream machine for AI developers and hardcore creatives who want maximum speed and absolute privacy. The memory upgrades are just as crazy. High-end models will support up to 128 GB of unified memory with insanely fast bandwidth. Remember, Apple's unified memory is vastly superior to traditional PC RAM because it is shared directly with the graphics card. Whether you are rendering massive 3D scenes, running intense data simulations, or editing heavy 8K video with multiple color grades, this machine will handle it like an absolute breeze. Apple is directly targeting heavy Windows workstations with this release. What about storage? Apple is finally ditching the tiny drives. The base M5 Max model is expected to start at a full 1 TB of blazing fast storage. The absolute beast M5 Ultra will likely start at 2 TB. You will finally have plenty of room for all your heavy files without constantly buying external hard drives. This proves Apple is increasing baseline specs across their entire lineup to give professionals real value. So, when can you finally get your hands on this? The most solid leaks point to a highly anticipated launch in the first half of 2026. This will most likely happen at Apple's WWDC event. As for the price, you should EXP a slight bump. With double the base storage and a massive silicon upgrade, the entry M5 Max model will likely start just above $2,000. The M5 Ultra configurations will obviously cost significantly more depending on your RAM and storage choices. In my honest opinion, Apple is making the smartest move in tech history right here. By killing off the ridiculously overpriced Mac Pro and putting all that ultimate power into the tiny Mac Studio, they are giving true professionals exactly what they need. Skipping the M4 generation means this M5 Ultra is going to be a legendary upgrade that will easily power your studio for the next 5 to 10 years without breaking a sweat. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.